Good morning. Today is Tamira. Today is Plotagon shutdown in December 31st, 2022. Olivia? Plotagon is shutting down because of the glitch. Tracy, Plotagon is shutting down today. What today is? December 31st, 2022. Because the video maker is shutting down. Oh no. Too much glitch. So Harry? I don't have any basement before.
Plotagon shuts down in 33 seconds?
Plotagon is shutting down, but I am gonna die. Let's see what's on internet. Oh no. Plotagon is shutting down after 22 months. Yeah. Let's get into a car. Oh no. That car so fast we need to die. Oh no. We need to fast. Oh no. I have Plotagon studio is shuts down. Oh no, oh no. I'm gone.